welcome back to my channel. This is Rachna here. I hope you all are doing fine. So this is a fun video, so hope you all enjoy it, and yes, let's get on the video. So the first thing I'm applying on my face today is the Mama Earth Skin Illuminating Serum. It's an amazing serum. It removes all the blemishes and dark spots. I've been using it for 3 months now and I can already see amazing results. So I'll let it set into my skin for a good 2 to 3 minutes, and then next I'll be applying the Bobbi Brown Vitamin C Face Base. I'm gonna use this as a primer today. It's not actually a primer, but I'm going to use it like that. So next, coming is the concealer, I'm using the Elegol Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I really love this concealer. I won't be going in with color correctors and things like that today. I'll directly be applying my concealer to cover up all my blemishes and dark spots. I have a lot of pigmentation around my lip area, under my eyes. I'm going to be covering that with the concealer. And you don't want to rub your concealer everywhere, you just want to dab it, so you want to be very patient while blending your concealer. So I'm gonna take my own sweet time and blend it. So once I'm done with applying my concealer everywhere, I'm gonna set it by applying my setting powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330. You can use a translucent powder or any powder of your choice. I'm using the one from Maybelline. So now I'll be going in with my eyes, the highlight of the video. So I'll be playing around with all the colors, especially blues and pinks and a little bit of green and yellow and orange. So on my outer crease I'm applying a light blue color, and next I'll be topping it up with a dark blue shade. It's gonna be light blue to dark blue, and then the next shade I'll be applying is purple. It's gonna be all the Pride colors. I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of Pride eye makeup tutorials or images. So the next shade that I'm picking up is pink. So it's light blue, then dark blue, then purple, and then pink. And then on my inner crease I'm applying a little bit of green. So I really didn't like the transition between pink and green, so in between pink and green I'll be applying a little bit of orange, and then I'll be blending everything out. So this is how it turned out to look. So I did my other eye as well, and then next I'll be going in with my eyeliner. I'll be doing a wing eyeliner today. I'll be repeating the same step on the other eye as well. So this is how it turned out, my eyes. The next step is my brows. So if you can see, I already have thick brows, so I'm not going to do anything much to my eyebrows today. I'm just gonna brush it with this brush and then just fill in all the gaps in between. So wherever I see a little bit of gaps, especially in the starting of my eyebrows, I can see a little bit of gaps, so I'll be covering that up with a dark brown eyeshadow shade. I don't have anything specific in my makeup products for my eyebrows because I don't think it's necessary. And then I'll be taking the spoolie and then just setting all my eyebrows in place so that it doesn't look messy. Next, coming to my lashes, I'm taking this eyelash curler and then just curling my eyelashes. I always feel that this step is very important. It just curls your lashes. Some people find it useless, but then I feel this is a very important step. So the next step that I'll be doing is mascara. So if I'm applying lashes today, then I go in with mascara first. I don't know this thing is with me or everybody else, but for me, if I'm applying lashes, then I always go in with mascara first. But I feel some people prefer applying lashes first and then mascara. It's totally up to you all. So before applying my lashes, I'm going with my waterline. So I'll be applying this white color eyeshadow on my waterline just to make my eyes look bigger, and also applying this white shimmery eyeshadow on the inner creases of my eyes, and then I'll be applying my mascara on my lower lashes. I'll wear my lashes and get back. So this is how my eye makeup turned out to look. I'm really happy with it. And if you're wondering what's there near my lips that boil, then guys, that's my I burnt my lips. Yeah, it's sad but the truth. The next thing is foundation. So you know my favorite foundation, yes. So I think I don't need to explain it. So I'll be taking this brush and blending all my foundation. I just love the way this foundation sits. So if you want to know my top 5 favorite foundations of all times, drugstore especially, then do let me know. I'll make a video on that as well. Just take your own sweet time to apply your foundation, no rush whatsoever. I'm trying so hard to cover my boil, but it's okay. So, and don't forget to apply your foundation on your neck as well. So the next step is contouring. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm gonna contour my cheeks, my chin, my jawline, my forehead, my nose. So basically bringing a dimension to my face. So for my blush today, I'm going in with this orange rusty color. I thought this color would complement this look really well. You can go in with pinks or corals, totally depends on y'all. I just picked up this orange, rusty shade from my eyeshadow palette. So I basically apply my blush throughout my face, like there's no one area which I leave. I don't know, that's my personal preference. I apply it on my cheeks, my nose, everywhere. So last but not the least is setting spray. So setting spray is very important so that your makeup stays for quite some time, if not the whole day. So one last step before my makeup is done is lipstick. Today I'll be going in with a glossy nude lipstick. I feel I want to keep my lips a little subtle. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did, then you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you all really soon. Bye. Love y'all.